Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In today's class, we're going to be learning how to work with sound design. All right. I'll say welcome to this class. We're going to be learning how to work with sound design. As you must have known, sound design is the arrangement of sounds to give you a meaningful, a dreamy meaning. It's a arrangement of sound coming together of the ambient sounds coming together of sound effects, the background music, and every other thing just to give you what you want to hear. If you just put a background music, it's just going to be a background music, but with additions of sound effects and ambience and all those silence and every other thing is going to bring out all the the emotions in the video. And now let's head over to CapCut because we're using CapCut for this, and we already have a full video with the background music, every other single thing, right? We already have it edited, but no sound effects, no ambience, nothing. So we're going to make this video exceptional with our sound design. It already has a background music. I used to say background music actually sets the mode for the video. It sets the mode for this video. As you're looking at this video, you're saying, love me. The video is actually a quiet one, but you can put another background music and everything about the video has changed. It just becomes automatically chaotic, but it cannot be chaotic because of the clips we have here. But the background music sets the tone for a video edit. The background music set the tone. If you get your background music first, you can now think of every other thing, right? Good. For the theme of this vlog is actually a very quiet morning routine. I won't say exciting, but it's just there. I won't call it romanticizing. It's just there. It's not so exciting, it's not dreamy, it is not chaotic, it is not gloomy. It is just beautiful. It's just there. So the sound effects is, sorry, this background music, it is so good for it. Let me check this recording I get. Let's try another background music so that let's just happy moments and reduce this to, let's reduce the main background music so that we will see what I'm talking about. It's still a very beautiful video with this background music. Now let's go over and choose a more chaotic background music. It's just there. Now take a look at this background music that we added now, okay? From the background music alone, you will notice that it doesn't suit the video. Alright, so whenever you want to edit a video first, the first thing that should come into your mind is, what is the theme? What am I editing this video for? Do I want it to be exciting? Do I want it to look beautiful? Do I want it gloomy? Some people would want to edit video and bring out the dark side of it, but this one is not. This vlog is not just there. It's depending on the clips that you have, right? For this video, you can actually see that the clips is giving more like a feminine something, and it will need a happy moment and all those exciting or positive vibes. All right, so the background music is very okay for this vlog. Okay, it's just a normal, a very beautiful morning routine of a young girl. And now we're going to start our sound design. As you can see, if you click on this on this vlog, increase your timeline. See what I did? Increase your timeline. Yes. If you watch the CapCut introduction, you know what I mean by this timeline here, frames per second. So you just increase it. And if you've not watched it, go back to the CapCut interface and watch it again. Okay, so the first thing you do is to increase. We are seeing this, and the perfect sound effect for this, you should be attentive, you should listen, just know what's more perfect. Right, come over to your sound effects and you search for whoosh. I want a soft whoosh because this is a very soft video, right? That's what I'm going to go for. Fua, not whoosh or not swish. All of them are not needed. I need a very soft, like this wind noise, right? And we're going to decrease it to make sure it stops where good. We are not going to be doing any other thing here, but since she introduced another phase, we're going to be adding another sound effect. A camera shutter is from a B-roll to a B-roll. A camera shutter is used to, to transition from an A-roll to a B-roll, right? From two phases. So that's why we're using a camera shutter here. Good. This that people actually misbehave name is called camera shutter, right? So we put it in here because she's showing us a video of herself, and the next thing is a video of her dressing the room. All right. Good. Now, the first two, the forward sound and the click, is called sound effects. Now, come over to this place that she's washing her hair or taking a bath. You can actually see that we can leave it like this, but we wouldn't want to. We're going to add an ambience. An ambience is a natural something sound effects, like now you're hearing the background music of that cock in my compound that is making noise. That's natural. We're going to add another natural. You're seeing her hold up a shower, so we're going to add shower. Just search for showering, and it's going to give you that ambience of showering. Good. And we are going to reduce the volume because we don't want it louder than the music. If you see that, it gave it a very beautiful touch, a very beautiful one. Delete this and come over to your fade and use the fade to fade it out a little so it doesn't have an abrupt end. 0.2 is okay. Good. Then we are seeing the edit that happened here, the pop-up of things. Very, very beautiful. We're going to be learning that soon. So one thing we're going to do is to come over to, we're going to be learning it in the master class. The one thing we're going to do is to come over to this sound effect here and look for pop-up because it's actually popping up, and that's what we're going to use. Okay, it's taking time. Good. This pata top sound is what we're going to use. Okay, come over to this and Now we're going to duplicate. Just click on duplicate, click on the sound, scroll down and duplicate. Yours might take time like mine. Now it has duplicated and the other image showed. All right, you're going to make sure that you duplicate where the next image is showing. Bring it down a little. Good. This is where the other one started, and this is where the other one started. I'm going to click on it and duplicate, and also duplicate when next where the other one started. This. Then the last one is this one, and you duplicate, bring it down. It started here, and watch. Very beautiful. And you could see that it reversed too. So we're going to do the same thing that we did here to the reverse. All right, you can see that it reversed. Okay, we're going to duplicate too and make sure the rest of them leaves the 1 2 3 4 5 6. Good. And as it comes in here, you can actually see the opening of that bottle, and the next sound effect you're going to use here is the opening of the bottle. Actually, you can actually notice that these clips actually guides us to the sound effects or the ambient sound that we are using. Like here, what we use here is a sound effect. This is not an ambience, but here we can, here would be an ambience because obviously she's brushing her hair. And now come over to this place and add sound effects, and you search for opening of bottle. I guess I have searched for it. Yes, opening a bottle. This opening a lid, this is different. Good. And the next thing we're going to add is another sound effect, and here is the drop of oil. I guess I searched for it. So oil dropping. I use this pot water drop and split it and remove this and reduce the sound. Very good. And then come over to this place and add hairbrush, or brushing of hair, brushing hair, and you're going to find that sound that is suiting for it. Okay, we are going to cut because I noticed that the sound effect lingered. The sound lingered. Good. And cut this one and fade out this one. Very good. Now I want us to watch this from the beginning. You're going to notice a very huge difference from what was positioned, like the first video without a sound effect. Are you seeing how that sound design made everything different? it made you more glued to the video. Now if you add a text, all these are called hooks. They are hooks, and if you add a text to this, let's just say my simple morning routine, just come in here, you add, I don't like this font, let's just change it to another font that is more. Let's try a Robert and add my morning routine. My morning routine. And you leave it here. It already gives you an insight of what you're doing. We're going to cut this morning routine to stop here. And we delete the rest. Okay, we're going to delete the rest. If you actually watched this video to this place, you did a very good job, and I'm excited you watched it to this extent, and me too. I'm very excited you watched this extent, and I know you must have learned a whole lot. All right, you must have learned a lot, and I'll be waiting for you to recreate this amazing video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now. Bye.